So this time in Belfast, we got chance to join a familiarization trip for a brand new tour that was still in its trial stage before being offered to our guests. Our whole team joined the tour to experience it firsthand, and from the moment we set off, the drive was absolutely breathtaking. Rolling green hills, peaceful countryside, and stunning landscapes made every moment of the journey feel like a postcard. The tour was centered around traditional sheep farming, and it was such a unique experience getting to meet the sheep, pet them, and even feel their soft wool with our own hands made it even more special. We also learned how the sheep are raised and how their wool is carefully turned into beautiful handmade scarves, hats, and other authentic wool products. Of course, we couldn't leave without buying a ship themed souvenirs to remember the experience. Another highlight was watching the incredibly skilled ship dogs at work, seeing how they responded to every command and worked together to guide the ship was fascinating. Their intelligence and teamwork were truly amazing to watch. But the tour was about much more than farming. We also learned about Ireland's history, how people survived during difficult times, including the war, and listened to heartfelt stories about their culture, resilience, and way of life. Hearing these stories from the locals made the experience even more meaningful and unforgettable. One of the biggest highlights for me was the food. We got to taste authentic traditional Irish dishes, and I can honestly say it was one of the best meals I have had on this itinerary. And the dessert, it was freshly baked, incredibly fresh, and absolutely delicious. Every bite tasted homemade was prepared with so much love and care. From the warm hospitality of the people to the delicious food, the beautiful scenery, and the unforgettable stories, everything about the journey was so special. It wasn't just a tour, it was an experience that connected us with Ireland's tradition, history, and the people who continue to preserve them. I truly hope this tour becomes part of our itinerary someday because I know our guests will enjoy it as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed coming along on this journey, don't forget to follow for more travel stories and be sure to watch until the end. See you in the next adventure.
In the So a little extra time here today. This is a cafe. See, that's after
1940.
he was certain. I told you about coming up the road. I give up on this one.